Hi, my name is Brooke and I'm going to be doing a tutorial on Pinterest and how it can benefit you as a teacher. So right here you're looking at your homepage of Pinterest. There are different pins and ideas and projects that are shown on your homepage kind of based on your recent searches. So there are a few tabs up here. We have home, who you're following, and your profile. I'm going to go to my profile. On your profile, it shows you different boards that you have created for different topics. I have March crafts, kindergarten classroom, food, workout, home ideas, DIY projects. To create your own board to add different ideas and projects to, you can click on this plus button up on the top left corner and you can click create board. You would put the name, and then you would click create. So I have created this March crafts board just for this tutorial to show you. If you go home and let's say you're looking for some crafts that you wanted to do with a kindergarten classroom that you want to add to that board and save for later. You can search March crafts for kindergarten. And then it will show you a plethora of ideas that you can save for later. So if you're scrolling down and you see something that you like, you can click this arrow down as your cursor goes over it and then click March Crafts, Save. Right here, same thing, arrow down, find the board that you want, March Crafts, Save. After you save these few ideas, you can go to your profile, click on that board, and then you will see all of the ideas that you've pinned. You can click on that pin. It might take you to a website. You can send it to somebody else. It's a great tool to use if you are looking for projects or ideas for your classroom. There are many ideas on Pinterest, and I would definitely use it if I was a teacher.